Do you need to take your tools with you in the ute and need a heavy duty canopy? Well, the new 𝙤𝙀 white and black knight marine grade aluminium canopies are what you need for a single or dual cabs. Ideal for tradespeople, mines, utes, mobile work and service vehicles. This tough canopy is made from 2.5mm thick marine grade aluminium with reinforced walls and superior strength welds. The popular size of 1780 by 1780 by 860mm makes this canopy suitable for a wide variety of vehicles. 3 easy access scale wing style doors, all fitted with heavy duty adjustable gas struts. Quality door sills ensures high resistance to water and dust, making the canopy weatherproof to handle the tough Aussie conditions. 2 lockable premium whale tail catches per gull wing door. Full length concealed stainless steel piano hinges. Reinforced floor, walls and roof. This robust 𝙤𝙀 canopy comes with these optional extras. Firstly, these 3 heavy duty roof racks. Secondly, these optional 4 lift off jacks. Next option is a central trundle pull out drawer, 1400mm in length. Suitable for your larger storage needs. We have optional robust shelving modules with retractable latches. So that is our complete empty white and black knight canopy walkthrough. If you are interested in one of these units kitted out with our premium quality tools, then go to our website below. We're an Aussie owned and operated business since 1993 and we ship Australia-wide daily, so no matter where you are, we can ship one of these out to you. We offer a 12-month structural warranty on our canopy range. These toolkits are available as low as $38.41 per week, so there's no reason you can't secure one of these utes for your ute.